How to set up my Twitch stream on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can set up my Twitch stream on PC. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to basically set up your Twitch stream on PC, you can actually use the Twitch Studio app that Twitch themselves provide these days, or you can also choose to download the OBS Studio application, which is also a completely free application if you want to get into in-depth streaming. Now, depending on what you'd like to use, if you'd like to use Twitch Studio, first of all, you can choose a capture as to which game you'd like to stream over here, or you can select all of this in this case. And then you can first of all go to customize a few settings over here depending on what you like, and then you can just click the start stream option that you would be able to find here to begin streaming on Twitch. If you are using OBS Studio, you'd like to customize the frames and everything, you can directly go to settings, then go to the option called stream, and first of all make sure to connect your Twitch account from here. After that, you can go to output and select the video bitrate, audio bitrate, and every other settings that you can customize within this tab if you would like to go ahead and then basically find them. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then actually start streaming on Twitch and set up for your PC. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.